Okay, this tutorial is on how to make an interesting artistic illustration using stencils, where we can do overlapping shapes. And basically, in terms of how we design this, we can do all sorts of things across a very wide spectrum. So what we're going to do is we can use various different colors. We have blue and purple and black and lots of different things. Good to have markers close by. What we're going to do is we're just going to start using a stencil and doing some different shapes. And this is a sense of overlap. That's what's really neat, because if you see where the overlap is, you find it right there in between the two circles. So I'm going to show you again. We can use a larger circle, and it almost like it looks as though it's sort of like bubbles, right? And again, we've got a sense of overlap here, but we can actually draw a design in this circle in order to distinguish it from this one right here. And it's a lot of fun, and you can get really creative with this. I've actually done several pieces using these kinds of tools, and it tends to be very, very simple, but yet once you do a bunch of these circles, you can really start to make quite a wonderful piece of art. And it's great to use all different colors. You can also start out with just pencil, but you can do different colors, and if you're nervous, this is kind of new to you, you can always start off with some pencil, eraser, and that sort of thing. And we just do lots of different things. Now we also can use, obviously, a straight edge ruler. And it's fun using geometrics when you do artwork, because again, what I'm saying is that you can make overlap, as in here I pointed out, but you can also create some dimension, make it look three-dimensional by tracing a stencil or a ruler around the other shapes you've already drawn, like this. Now this is going to make this object appear as though it's in the background behind the circles. Do you see that? Isn't that interesting? Again, it helps if you start with pencils and you go from there. Very interesting stuff. Let's just try one last color to make sure we do this right. We can do behind so that it's 3D, or we can always overlap and make it awesome. So don't forget to sign your name at the end, and I wish you lots of luck and happy fun drawing.